Hi, welcome to CAD NEST. This is Mamta from CAD NEST at Nagar. In this class, we are discussing about the layer properties, how to create a layers and where it will be uses. So that's we are discuss about these things. So first know the shortcut key of layer. The shortcut key of layer is LA. And then press enter. For the creation of new layer, we can type the Alt N, or also we can click the new layer icon. Right? Layer will be created. Give us some name and go to color. Click on the color and take the colors. If you want to change the color, then you click on the color and then change the color. For again, you want more layer, click on this icon and create the layers. After that, close. In that, go to layers, select the walls and take that line, draw the lines. The color will be changes. This is for the layer. In that, the first icon is a turn off and on. The current layer will be off. We can also lock this layer. If the layer is locked, it cannot be deleted because the layer will be locked. This is for the turn layer off and on. And second one is freeze. It is same as that of first one. This is for the layer creation. If you want to match this color to another lines, we can use the match properties. We can match the color line type and some properties also. For example, we can take a plan and shortcut key for match properties is MA and then press enter. Select the line and then apply the walls. This is for the match properties. For more video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.